The terror begins again.
السلام عليكم. لا تنسوا الإعجاب بالفيديو والاشتراك في القناة تشجيعا لنا لنستمر بنشر المزيد إن شاء الله.
وقال لها بالعربية ديال المغاربة.
يمك 21 ديسمبر bro. You will see my friend.
Now 15 kilos.
21 December.
Now you're 105 kilos.
Bro. 21 December.
Yeah, what's gonna happen? What's gonna happen? You're gonna cry again. You're gonna cry again.
تجيو لما تجيو صاحبي يلا. تجيو لما تجيو صاحبي. يلا يا صاحبي. Badr I was waiting for this moment in this conversation. He can go fuck himself. I'm gonna knock him out 21 December.
First, we're gonna see. We're gonna see that. You said.
Oh, there were not a lot of people who know Rico. Then the Badr Hari wave come. He jumped on. He became famous. He did a lot of shows. He made some money. I'm happy for him. But 3 years later, it's gonna end because the 21 December, I'm gonna show him. I'm gonna show the people what's his real level of fighting. Come on, man. It was a joke.
Actually, the same as your Hesdy fight. It was also
yeah, but Hesdy had a broken arm, and you couldn't beat him. You couldn't beat him.
Both hands full. Getting a suspension.
Show us what you got when Rico makes the beat drop.
I'm gonna be in the ring. I'm gonna perform at the best I can, and yeah, either way, he's gonna quit anyway, or he's gonna get knocked out. So that's what's gonna happen the 21st of December. Go!
Blijven gaan. Kom. Blijven gaan, man. Blijven gaan. Kom. En allebei. Door.